we have done with create a task for CRUD, which is C, and then it's a read task for R, and we add more for find tasks by words and so on. Next, we are going to go for update. But for update, let me show you here. I'm going to clear up the things. Python main.py. For update, what we need to do is first, let me show you things. Okay, first we need to specify the ID. So that's the purpose of having an ID. Which which data that you would like to update. If let's say we want to change for play football, maybe we want to change here to play badminton. So we need to specify the ID name, and then next we need to specify the things that we would like to change. So it will erase of these things, and then we will enter the new one. So simply quit the game. Next, we're going to create a new functions, define update test. So ask for user input, so task ID, input, okay. Next, we want to update, just put here task update from the user. All right. Again, we put here the parameter. Oh, parameter query. I put here the SQLite3, SQLite command, update to do, the to do table name, set task is the field name, equals to variables where ID is equals to here. All right. So you're going to execute this by putting here parameter q, and task ID and the task update. And don't forget to commit. So if not, then if you didn't put here commit, so you will not going to save into the database. Okay, I think that's good enough. So let's create our menu, yank, and oops, sorry, paste here. But before that, so put here you update task as you update task. Right. So we run this in my terminal. So clear it. Python man.py. Okay, we create what is this? Okay, coding Python. Let's say I want to put here play instead of play football, just place here put here play tennis. So go for you update, give an ID. This is 3, right? So ID is 3, and update task is going to be play tennis. And choose one only, get read. See if it is working. Play football. Supposed to change, right? Something went wrong here. Let's see what went wrong. Update task ID, task update. I see. Okay. I think we should put, okay, we need to be careful here. When it is this is the parameter query, right? So in the SQLite command, we should put here task is the first arrangement and then ID is the second arrangement. So when we want to put here, this task ID should be the second one, and this one should be the first one. So I just change the order here. I'm going to create here first. Delete and paste. All right, let's see if it is working. Clear up Python main.py. First we're going to read it. Coding Python. Okay, again, try to assist, create football. So we press U, type U and give the ID number is 3. Update, so play tennis. Right, already updated. So we'll see, right, play tennis, yes. Playing good. Let's try another one. Say we put here querying Python and SQLite. U. Okay, and then this is the index is 1. Put here CO coding Python and SQLite3. All right. So you see, yeah, it's working. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video tutorial. If you like the video and haven't yet subscribed, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Python Hack channel. By the way, if you have the means, you can support us and click the link given below, coffee.com/pythonhack, by buying or tip us coffee. See you soon. Again, thank you very much.